Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will write a simple program that will ask the user to give distance in miles, and then our program will convert the given miles value into kilometers equivalent using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically I'm using this PyCharm 2022 1.3 Community Edition as my integrated development environment. What is good about this PyCharm, even though it is a community edition, we can write programs here for free that is being provided by JetBrains. However, if you are very serious enough to write Python programs, I recommend that you buy the licensed version because there are some added features that are not available in the community edition. Okay, so you can use also other text editor if you want, like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or even Sublime. It's all about preference. Okay, so we have here print the title of our program, miles to kilometers in Pythons. So the \t is horizontal tab, \n new line. We have here a variable miles equals float, input, enter miles. If you are new with Python, the input means we are asking in value from the user, but it will be stored in a string. So there is a function called typecasting in Python. So in this case, we are converting whatever value it is into string. So we have assignment statement again in the next line, line number 4. Kilometers equals round, miles multiplied by 1.6, 2. Round is a function that allows us to put decimal places in our Python program. 2 means 2 decimal places to the right. Print round miles, 2. Miles is equal to whatever value it is in kilometers, new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Okay, let us execute the program by clicking the play button here. Miles to kilometers in Python, enter miles. Let's say we have 1 mile. So 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Another example, we have 5.67 miles is equals to 9.07 kilometers, end of program. Last example, let's say 100 kilometers. So 100 miles is equals to 160 kilometers, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on miles to kilometers conversion using Python programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.